to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today is just going to be a Disney vlog. I'm like, do I bring it? Do I not bring it? And I think of that dog from TikTok. Is it too much? Is it too much? I don't think it's too much. Is it too much? Hey guys, welcome. Okay, so for this video, I am super excited because I'm planning my trip to Disney World and I'm going to do a ton of Disney vlogging while I'm there. So I just wanted to show you a quick what I'm bringing to Disney, and of course there'll probably be like another vlog that shows you like what I'm really like bringing to Disney, but I'm showing you like the cool things I'm bringing to Disney, all of my cool Disney gear that I'm bringing to Disney. Ignore the dog in the background, that's like the psycho dog that lives on a balcony. I love dogs, but this dog is crazy. Okay, so the first thing I'm bringing to Disney is this denim jacket. This was a Levi's jacket that I bought at Macy's, and I hand painted on it this scene of Lilo and Stitch on it, and it just has a picture of Lilo and Stitch and then this other character here. I don't remember what his name is, but I made myself a little custom handmade Levi's painted denim jacket for Disney World. I thought that would be cool. Why not make your own, right? So I'm gonna bring this to Disney. So this is item 1. The second item I'm going to bring is this backpack. I need to bring a backpack because I need to be able to have something that's gonna hold all my stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna end up buying like a bag there, like a Dooney and Burke or something like that, but I've got this one that I hand painted as well. Oh my god, that dog. Okay, so I love Lilo and Stitch, as you can tell, and I love the child from The Mandalorian. And if you notice, the Stitch and the Baby Yoda, they kind of look the same, and they're both from space, sort of, yeah. Okay, so I hand painted this backpack from the backpack itself is from American Apparel, and it's just like, it just looked like this, like a nice blank material. So I hand painted this nice scene on it. So now I have a nice backpack to take with me to Disney. Now we will see what is in the bag. This worked out well. I just needed a bag to like come downstairs to like show you everything, and it worked out well. So I don't know 100% if I'm gonna bring this or not. I have had this for a really long time. It is the Tigger hat, and it like a lot of people have this, like not a lot of people. Every once in a while in Disney you'll see someone walking around with this, and it was like a collector's item. And yeah, let me put it on. I don't know if I'm bringing this or not. We shall see. It's kind of like one of those items like, do I bring it? Do I not bring it? And I think of that dog from TikTok. Is it too much? Is it too much? I don't think it's too much. Is it too much? I don't know. Is it too much? Okay. So yeah, that's an option of things to bring. Let me just put that down. Probably get eaten by an iguana. Okay. The next thing I'm gonna bring is, of course, my Minnie Mouse ears. I actually got these at Port Orleans Resort, but I got it at the French Quarter, and I got them one holiday season, and I love this print. This print is so nice. I don't have that many ears. I have 2, but this one's really nice. It's kind of like a Christmas theme, but I think it's great, and it fits like the decor of Port Orleans, because I feel like plaid and all that just like says Port Orleans, kind of, right? We need to put it on. Okay. So bringing my ears. These are my ears. So these are my ears. Okay, let me show you my other ears. One second. I have to like do all this with these pants on, and these are not eating pants. People. These are like your suck it in pants, okay? These are not eating pants. And then I have this one. This is my graduation ears, and it says 2021 on it when I graduated with my master's. Because I graduated in 2021 with my master's. But you know, like, things in the world are not like the greatest in 2021, so I kind of need a redo. Like, I didn't really do like a big celebration for my graduation, so like I figure like I'll do that in Disney. It's not like it's like that far from now. It's only like a couple months later, really. So it makes sense to bring these also, and that way I can have my full celebration, like, you know, belated, so it's called like belated birthday, belated graduation. So I'll bring these as well. Why not? And I also have, last but not least, I have my magic band. I showed this to you in a previous video. This is the first magic band that I've actually purchased. They used to give you one with like your resort stay, and I think now they actually charge you. So this is a Dooney and Burke one. I figured why not go big, right, if you're gonna buy one. So I got the Dooney and Burke limited edition, 5,000 of them they made, and it's really nice. It just has that little gold emblem there. It says Dooney and Burke. I still have the protector on it, and it's the Disney dogs for Christmas. I think it was called Christmas Paws, and there's Stitch and Doug, squirrel. But I think this is really cute. This is like my favorite one that I've seen. I don't know if I'm gonna get like really big into magic bands. I know that they're coming out with a magic band that's supposed to be like more high tech, and that's supposed to come out soon. So a lot of people are like wondering, should I even like buy more magic bands now, or should I wait till like the new ones come out? But I really like this one, and it's really pretty, and it's Dooney. We like Dooney and Burke, right? So yeah, that is some of my main Disney items that I'm planning on bringing. And of course I'm bringing clothes and outfits and shoes and hair things to make my hair pretty. But like, yeah, there's probably gonna be like more things I bring with me, but those are like my cute Disney items so far I'm thinking of bringing. Let me know if there's any other suggestions you think I should bring. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I made it because I'm super excited that my trip is coming up to Disney, where I'm going to do a ton of Disney vlogging and kind of really start that part of my channel. So I'm super excited that that is coming up, and I hope you guys stay tuned for my Disney vlogs, and I will see you soon in my next video, and bye. Not wear your ears on the roller coaster and go whoosh. Did you ever realize that it's Minnie ears? It's not Mickey ears, because like it's a girl, the bow. Do they make just Mickey ears? I think they do, but they're all Minnie ears. Did you ever realize that? It's like Minnie ears because it's like a bow. How about iguana ears? That'd be nice, right? Celebrate the iguana.